Hey everyone! And if you're trying to go live on Instagram but are facing issues, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix this problem so you can go live smoothly. Instagram may restrict the go live feature if you violated community guidelines. To check your account status, go to your profile, settings, and scroll down to account status. If you see any warnings or restrictions here, that could be why you can't go live. Sometimes, simply using an outdated version of Instagram can cause issues with features like going live. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for any updates, and make sure your app is up to date. If your internet connection is unstable, it can prevent you from going live. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the issue. The next step is to ensure Instagram has the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. On your phones, go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, find Instagram, select Permissions, and make sure camera and microphone are enabled. Finally, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, clearing the Instagram cache can fix issues. Go to Settings, Apps, tap Apps again, Instagram, Storage, then clear cache. If you're on an iPhone, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to reset everything. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues preventing you from going live on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!